Good afternoon, this is Edward Salazar with JED Alliance. Today we're going to test our Putzmeister TK50 CAC reader for sale. Thank you. We completely redid the unit. We replaced all the wear parts, starting from the cutting ring, wear plate, inlet bearing, outlet bearing, agitator bearings. The whole thing is brand spanking new. It also has a new system, emergency system for the hopper grade switch. So we installed a new e-stop on that. It also has a new agitator motor with all the new lines and everything. Every single one of them fittings for the grease have been replaced. All the lines for the actual fitting, for the actual grease fittings are also brand new. The block over here has every single one of them completely changed. It's got hydraulic, Outriggers. It's got these two things that not many pumps have, which is great for lifting it up with a forklift. So it's got one here and one in the center. Also, we spend a lot of money on these hand valves. They are brand new. It comes with when we bought them, it comes with the whole packet. We bought all brand new hydraulic hoses, all brand new hydraulic filter, restriction gauge, pressure gauges, accumulator gauges, temperature and level, oil level gauges. It's got 465 hours, so this machine is pretty much a baby. It's got a Deutz BF4M 2012 engine. Is brand new basically, and it's got new oil, new filters, new belts, new air filter. Everything you see is brand new. We also put new piston cups. The material cylinders are at about 85%. The box, as you guys can see, has no hydraulic oil or any leaking in there, so it's in great condition. We put a new manual box. Completely new. I mean, this machine basically resembles to what will be to buy a brand new Putzmeister. Now, Putzmeister don't come with these models anymore. They're highly desirable. A lot of people are looking for these because they are the luxury model of your TK50. And then we have a new battery. It's got the serial number here, 1122. It's a 2006 CAC reader. Then also has a new battery cover, new fan. The turbo is in perfect condition. The engine, we'll hear it in a minute, is in great condition too. It's got all new hydraulic lines, as you guys can see here. Also, we replaced all the stickers. We put, we sandblasted it, we painted it, and we made it look like it looks right now. So the tires are at about, I would say, 85 to 90%. We grease all the axle fittings. The axles are in perfect condition. The engine isolators, as you guys can see here, are pretty much brand new. I mean, the whole unit is ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up so we can hear that engine real quick. And you'll see what I'm talking about, having only 400 hours. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna close the flow control so I don't stroke it by, with the water box being completely dry, you can damage the piston cups. What I wanna do is I wanna pressure it out so you guys can see that. So, close it all the way up, all the way down. There's the high pressure, 4,000 psi right now, and it keeps increasing. Here is the pre-tension gas or the accumulator gas, which is at about a 55. So we still need to add a little bit more nitrogen to that tank. It's only maybe another 25 to 30 bar of pressure. This unit is for sale. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.